Let me share something I've learned after years of watching how fashion really works. If sustainable fashion feels confusing, overwhelming, or full of fancy words, it's not because you are doing something wrong. It's because a lot of it is confusing. Before we go ahead, if conversations like this help you slow down and think differently, consider subscribing. I share these talks every week. Hi, I'm Arpitha. Today, let's talk about sustainable fashion, the way it really shows up in our lives. Not the marketing version, not the perfect version, but the version that actually matters in real life. And just to say this clearly, awareness is the seed for transformation. This video is about planting that seed. Part 1: What sustainability in clothing really means. Let's start by gently clearing the noise. Sustainability in clothing does not mean buying the newest eco collection, replacing your wardrobe every season with better fabrics, or becoming a perfect zero waste human. That's not real life. Real sustainability starts much earlier than fabric tags. It starts with use. Before we talk about brands, labels, or materials, let's talk about us. Sustainability means wearing what you already own more often, choosing clothes that fit your body and your life, and slowing down enough to ask, do I really need this? That's it. That's the foundation. Part 2: What we need to stop chasing. Now, here's something I want to say gently because many of us fall into this. We need to stop chasing 100% sustainable claims, plant friendly buzzwords, and guilt driven shopping. If a brand makes you feel anxious or ashamed to buy from them, pause, because sustainability is not about fear. It's about responsibility with compassion. Many brands sell the feeling of sustainability instead of the practice of it. And when sustainability becomes a trend, marketing becomes louder than truth. Part 3: Three simple questions to ask before trusting a sustainable brand. Here's something practical you can actually use. No expertise needed. Question number 1: Am I buying this to replace something that still works? If yes, it might not be sustainable, even if the label says so. Sustainability isn't just about what you buy, but why you buy it. Question number 2: Does this brand explain their process clearly or only use feel good words? Real sustainable brands explain, greenwashed brands decorate. If it sounds too perfect, dig a little deeper. Question number 3: Will I realistically wear this at least 30 times? This one question alone can change everything. I want to leave you with this thought. You don't need to be perfect in 2026. You just need to be honest. Honest about your needs, honest about your budget, honest about your lifestyle. Because the most sustainable wardrobe is not the most ethical one on paper, it's the one that is loved, worn, and respected. If this video helped you feel calmer or clearer, share it with one friend who feels confused about sustainable fashion. And if you want more conversations like this, slow, honest, and rooted, I would love for you to subscribe. I'll say this again because it matters. Awareness is the seed for transformation, and every small shift you make counts. See you in the next conversation.